Okay, wet mount microscope slides. Yesterday we looked at kind of microscope basics, how to turn it on, get the on switch, make sure the light's on. We talked about the field of view. Your slide goes right over that hole with the light coming out of it called the field of view. We talked about coarse adjustment knob, making sure we focus it in. And then obviously, looking through the microscope and making sure you see something. Today, we're gonna look at wet mount microscope slides. So for this one, you're gonna make your own slides. It's really easy to do. You have a sample of pond water from the Trobber Pond out back. You have a plastic microscope slide this time. So these are pretty unbreakable. And then you have a cover slip, and then you need a paper towel. All right, so all you need to do, take your slide and you wanna place it flat on the counter, just like so. Your next step, take your pond water very carefully, find some material down in the bottom, like that's a great example there. Take your dropper, you want to get material into the dropper, like so. So that's what we're looking for. We're not looking to just look at water. We want to look at the material that is in the pond. And then all you need to do is give about, excuse the shakiness, one drop right in the center of the slide, just like that. And then from there, we take our cover slip, and you just want to kind of drop it like a domino right over that drop of water. Oop, it looks like I need a little bit more water. So maybe give it 2 or 3 drops, but you can definitely, if you look in there, see I have that material in there. That's what we're looking for. Give it 2 more drops. Okay, so what you should have when you drop it now, perfect. You can easily see that sample there. Kind of squish it down a little bit too. If a little water comes out the side, no problem, but that is exactly what your wet mount microscope slide should look like. Okay, from there, all we gotta do, take our sample, place it on the stage. We're gonna start with red power today, 40 times. Okay, and I can see my material right there over the field of view. I can already see it. That's what you're looking for. And then from there, all I wanna do is focus it in. All right, pretty decent. And then I'm gonna sketch my 40 times view onto my sheet, top left, and I'll title it. And look for different items. You have this sheet here. There's different things in here. You're definitely gonna see some plant material, maybe some worms, some arthropods and things like that, protozoa. Take a look at your list, see if you can find something in there. And you can actually move the slide around a little bit too to look for different things. If you see something moving, it's alive. That's kind of the neat part about this. So take a look around, see how I'm moving the slide. Don't be afraid to move it. And then once you find something interesting, again, sketch it. And then from there, we're gonna also practice with 100 today. That's yellow, not 400, but 100 yellow. Once you find something interesting too, try to get it focused in yellow as well. And once you find something good, sketch it, title it. It should come from the list. And obviously this time it should be 400 times. When you're finished, take your slide, take your paper towel, dry it off for the next group. Should be nice and neat on the plate, just like so. Make sure the dropper is in there. Turn your microscope off. You are done.